Okay, you guys, we're in Cabo. We're at the Westin Vacation Club, Los Cabos Resort, Mexico. This is the 2-bedroom villa. When you walk in, you have a living room. You have a dining room table right here. Over here, you have a full kitchen, so you have a dishwasher. You have dishes here. You have forks, knives, whatever you need. You have a stove here. You have a refrigerator here where you can put your things at. You have pots and you have pans. You have a toaster. So this is a little different because you have a full kitchen to where you can buy groceries and bring them in so you can cook for your family if you want to. Over here you have the first bedroom. Both bedrooms have a king-size bed. They're really comfortable. You have a flat screen TV over here. You have dresser drawers to put your stuff in right here. And if you go over here, you have your closet, you have hangers, you have space to put your luggage. Walk back towards this way. You have the guest bathroom. It does have a walk-in shower over here. Your toilet area. It's a really big bathroom too. You have your sink area right here. You have a mirror right here for when you're getting ready. When you're ready, you can show what your outfit looks like, see how you look. And over here, you have a washer and dryer, which comes in clutch, especially when you have kids. So you can wash whatever you want. Whenever you're trying to get it ready, if you don't have anything clean, you can put it there. You walk back this way. Over here you have more closet space. You have a vacuum cleaner. You also have blankets and pillows for the pull-out couch over there. So there's a pull-out couch. So it really sleeps a lot of people. Over here you have a laundry basket and more closet space. You walk towards the living room. Again, you have a beautiful couch with pull-out option so you can sleep people there. Flat screen TV here. When you go out on the balcony, you have an ocean view. It's a little hot outside right now. Over here you have your master bedroom. You have a king-size bed here. Nice flat screen TV over here. You have cable channels for whatever you want to watch. Here's the master bathroom. Nice big walk-in shower over there. You have your toilet room over here. And you also have a balcony on this side in the master bedroom, which you can go outside. You have views of the ocean here. Again, we're at the Westin Vacation Club. This is more of a resort where you can bring your family, and it's more like an apartment vibe. So you have everything from a kitchen, washer and dryer. You can buy groceries. You have a full refrigerator so you can fill that up if you want to. You have multiple places to sleep. You can literally probably bring like a family of 7, 8 here if you wanted to. And you also have this beautiful view of the ocean. So again, Westin Vacation Club, Los Cabos Resort in Mexico. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you at the next one.